So the first phase of Gigafactory Berlin is already way under construction, and the pace of the construction process has been quite rapid so far. Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, and now let's get back to the news. So the progress of Gigafactory Berlin has been surprisingly quick, so much so that the site is practically rivaling the speed of Gigafactory Shanghai. As of recently, all columns for the drive unit building have been installed, and the installation of walls and roof structures has already begun. Today we can see that the number of roof structures has increased significantly, and further wall installation continues to take place. The paint shop, on the other hand, is progressing in a very stunning fashion. The building is starting to take shape quickly, as it is already almost half completed. According to CEO Elon Musk, the paint shop in Giga Berlin will be the best in the world. It will be equipped with the latest equipment that has not been used anywhere else. Additionally, Tesla has already begun preparing more grounds and clearing more areas of topsoil for future expansion in the northern part of the plot, where hazmat and part of the next construction phase will be located. Therefore, foundation work and pillars installation for the hazmat building is expected to begin soon. So Tesla Giga Berlin construction site keeps making impressive progress. Last year, Tesla broke records by completing the construction of its first Asian factory, Giga Shanghai, in just 1 year. However, the American company now wants to overcome itself and reduce this time when building Giga Berlin. 6 months ago, the site for the future factory was a pine plantation, and today we can already see the outlines of some buildings.